Alright, how's it going, everybody? Originally I had planned to show you the paddle out here and setup, but Florida's doing this fun thing it likes to do called rain every 25 seconds. So, for the night, I am out here island camping in Dunedin, Florida. Brought myself a new book, a couple of Florida cracker beers. So I'll be catching up with you guys in about an hour when I start the fire and start cooking dinner, and I'll show you guys what I'm making. It's going to be delicious. But for now, I'm going to read my book and have myself a couple sips of beer. Alright, so I've spent the last 2 hours collecting firewood, as you can see behind me. Got a nice little fire going, which I gotta say was way harder than I thought it was going to be out here due to all the wind. But we are looking at low tide right now, and I'll turn you around so you can look at that in a second. So I've got my shrimp out in the water. I plan on doing a little bit of night fishing tonight, and hopefully I can bring you guys along with me. I brought an extra light. I just haven't tested it yet, so I'm going to go ahead and try that right now, make sure I can bring you with me. Try and go in for some snook. It's probably not going to happen just because it's not in season right now. They're not running up here and laying their eggs or anything. But so far, so good for the first time island camping out here in Dunedin. I stepped in somebody's shit, so there's that. But other than that, it's going pretty good, and I'll catch you guys back when I start cooking my steak. Alright, so I got a steak from Publix. A nice porterhouse. It's about a little over a pound. Yeah, a little over a pound. Throw this bad boy on the coals. I'd cut a little bit off for breakfast yesterday, but can't complain too much about a nice porterhouse, right? Bad boy on there. Oh, yeah. Pre-seasoned at the house with salt and pepper. Should be on for about 5-10 minutes max. Alright, so quick update. The winds are coming in about 15 knots, and it actually ripped my tarp off of the P50 cord I had. So I stood everything back up, which you probably can't even see. I took the rain fly off, so the hammock is just open air, hopefully to try and block some of the wind because it is freezing. It's about 2:30 in the morning right now. I'll get back to you guys if I actually get some sleep tonight, which I'm not seeing happening. Hopefully I can get off the island tomorrow morning, because I just looked at the small craft advisory. It's in effect for tomorrow morning, so we'll see how that goes. So, quick update. It's about 5:45. I showed you guys earlier my windbreak, my original windbreak, fell in the middle of the night. The wind ripped the tarp off the P50 cord. So I got up and redid it. And when I did that, I didn't really adjust for the amount of wind that was coming underneath. And in those hammocks, that's a big problem. And I paid dearly for it. I was freezing last night. I never really got back to sleep for more than 30 minutes. But I did cover my coals in a wet palm frond. And then as you can see, these big rocks back here. So I came out here and almost instantly had a fire, which was nice. And right now I got some coffee going and I'm warming back up. So I'll catch back up to you guys probably at sunrise. Okay, my high moon blend is ready to go. This is probably really hot. I think that part through, did I? Okay, coffee is ready to come out. Possibly. Let's figure out how I'm going to do that. Like that. Okay, so I've got the French press here. I'm just going to pour this in. This is a backwoods grind, high noon blend. It's probably my third time having it. First time in the woods having it. There's that. Take your French press. Some nice warm coffee in my Stanley thermos for the day. Came up, it was freezing last night, as you can see earlier. I am dressed in everything I have. Thank God I brought some socks with me, but I'm going to start cleaning up and I'm going to head back. The water's pretty calm right now. We have a small craft advisory today, so I'm going to get out of here as quickly as possible so I can get back. So sit back and enjoy me taking down camp.
you.